Number 2, express the following in Cartesian form. So I have A, which is 1 minus I power 10. I have B, which is 2 plus 2I power 5. So I ask you to do number 2. It will help you to understand very well. So immediately from here, after doing number 2, let's go to nth root of a complex number. Nth root of the complex numbers. The nth root of the complex numbers. How do you find nth root of complex numbers? The nth root of z is also a complex number. The nth root of a complex number is a complex number. This is like the nth root of z. Actually, it is like z power 1 over n. So now if you have z equal to r into bracket cos angle plus I sine angle. So mean that the nth root of a complex number, let us call it zk. It will be the nth root of r into bracket cos angle over n plus 2k pi over n plus I sine angle over n plus 2k pi over n, where k is from 0, 1 up to n minus 1. So mean that if k is 3, we have to stop up to 3 minus 1, which is 2. So mean that k is if you're looking for the cubic root of z, our k will be 3. Our k will be 3 minus 1, which is, it will be 0, 1 up to 2. So k is varying from 0 up to n minus 1. It is varying, it is not a fixed number, no. It is varying from 0 up to n minus 1. That's the value of k. So this is the formula for nth root of a complex number. So let us try to see examples. So now examples, number 1, find the first root of z equal to 3 plus I. Because they are saying first root, it means that our n is 4. Then our k will be equal to from 0, 1, 2, 3. Because n minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, which is 3. And you know that the nth root of a complex number is zk, which is equal to nth root of r. This is n. Then into bracket cos angle over n plus 2k pi over n plus I sine angle over n plus 2k pi over n. Then now we need to find the value to find that angle. So if our z is 3 plus I, what will be R and what will be angle? R is the modulus. R, which is the modulus of Z. Root 2, 3 squared plus 1 squared. So that is root 4, which is 2. So our R is 2. Then what is angle? This is in the first quadrant, and you know that in the first quadrant, angle equal to alpha. So tan alpha equal to B over A. Tan alpha will be equal to 1 over root 3. Alpha is tan inverse of 1 over root 3. So alpha is pi over 6, which is 30. Now, since it is in the first quadrant, our angle is the same as alpha, which is, our angle is pi over 6. So then we have to start with Z is 0, because K is starting from 0. Then Z is 0 equal to, our N is 4. The first root of R, our R is 2, into bracket, cos, our angle is pi over 6. Pi over 6, then divided by 4, plus 0 pi over 4, plus I sine pi over 6 divided by 4, plus 2 into bracket 0 pi over 4. Then, so what is pi over 6 over 4? This is the same as pi over 6 divided by 4 over 1, which is pi over 6 times 1 over 4, which is pi over 24. So now, Z is 0 will be equal to first root of 2 into bracket cos pi over 24 plus I sine pi over 24. So what is Z? That is Z0. What is Z1? Z1 is fourth root of 2 cos pi over 24 plus 2k to 1 pi over 4. Then plus I sine pi over 24 plus 2 into bracket 1 pi over 4. So Z1 is first root of 2 into bracket by 2, 1 by 2, 2. That is cos pi over 24 plus pi over 2. Then plus I sine pi over 24 plus pi over 2. So Z1 equal to first root of 2. LCM here is 24, cos 24, 1, then that's 13 pi plus I sine 13 pi over 24. That is Z1. Z2 to be equal to first root of 2 into bracket cos pi over 24 plus 2 pi into k. K is 2 pi over 4 plus I sine pi over 24 plus 2 into bracket 2 pi over 4. So Z2, it will be equal to 4th root of 2 into bracket. That is cos pi over 24 plus by 4, that is pi, plus I sine pi over 24 plus pi. Then Z2 equal to 4th root of 2 into bracket. You find the LCM, LCM is 24. That is pi plus 24, that's 25, plus I sine 25 pi over 4. So that is Z2. Let's go to Z3, which is the last one. It is the 4th root of 2 into bracket cos pi over 24 plus 2 into bracket 3 pi over 4 plus I sine pi over 4, 24, sorry, plus 2 into bracket 3 pi over 4. So now Z3 is the 4th root of 2 into bracket cos pi over 24 plus by 2 1, by 2 2, 3 pi over 2 plus I sine pi over 24 plus 3 pi over 2. So Z3 equal to 4th root of 2 into bracket. We find the same cos LCM is 24. So that is pi 24 divided by 2, 12. 12 times 3, that's 6, and that is 37 pi plus I sine, that's 7 pi over 24. So that's how we find the nth root of complex numbers. So let us stop from here. We meet next time. God bless you so much.